Yo, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. If you're new, make sure you like this, subscribe. This is Trend Riding Lab. We're here with a live call. Let's get it. So, like I said, on the weekly chart, I do think that overall we do want to pull back to that trend line overall, kind of near that 1,300 support level, right? So I do think that we want to, it's not really accurate, but, I do think we want to pull back to that level overall on the weekly chart, right? So that's the overall direction on the weekly chart. One thing I do notice on the daily chart, we did have this push up from yesterday, but I do think that, price does want to reject. But if it doesn't, and does continue to move bullish, we will adapt to the market and just kind of trade how it is, right? But then when we drop it down to the 1 hourly chart, everything that I'm talking about is still kind of confirmed. So as you can see, we still have that, ABCD pattern. We haven't fully taken out that high overall. So I do think that, bears are still kind of in control for the short term. So like I said, we are looking for sell opportunities. Looking at, this hourly chart, usually when you see something like this with like a U-like resistance, that's where technically we could get some sort of bull trap. So if price does confirm and drop back into value, we can continue to move down, right? So when we drop it down to the 5-minute chart, one thing I do notice is we got this crown-like pattern. So we can see technical bull traps to this level. So I do think we're going to take a short once we get there and then kind of hold it down to one of the support levels. If it does happen to be a trap and start to move up, we will come back, we will take a little break, and then we'll adapt to whatever the market does. But in the time being, we are looking for that trap somewhere above that right shoulder. So once that sets up, we'll come back, update you guys, and we'll see you when we see you. All right, guys, it is 8 o'clock. I just noticed we got some big news at 8:30. Things are reading bearish on the 1 hour chart. Every time I see some sort of, reaction like this, we get this bull trap. It usually triggers sellers. So I do think that price is going to drop. But I don't know if I really want to be sitting in it during the news because things spike and, slippage occurs. I'm not trying to be involved with that. So we might just wait for this announcement first before we take any decisions. So if it does happen to drop on the announcement, we are watching that right shoulder right there overall. So if it does drop, we could probably get that trap somewhere over there to trade down towards, this 450 level overall. We'll see. Maybe we will take the trade before the announcement because, I kind of want to get in that short at that high because I do think it is going to drop overall. Like I said, I just don't want to deal with that bullshit slippage shit. So, but like I said, we're pretty much waiting for this bull trap somewhere above there to trade towards that support level. So we'll be back 8:30, see what's good with that news, and then keep you guys posted. Let's go. All right, guys, we took the short. We're going to hold it down to this news announcement. Our stop loss is going to be somewhere at that 74 level. And let's get it. So right there. It's going to be our first target and see how we react there. And like I said, our stop loss is going to be somewhere at that 74. And let's get it. All right, guys. This is how it worked out. With the news, we got out of the trade right before the news somewhere at this support over here. And then once the news announcement happened, we re-entered the position. So we got out at that 930 support from this one, this 120 support. So for like a nice 12-pick game. And then once price wicked up on the news, we smashed the short right there. When we came back at our entry, and then we held it down to that trend line right there for a nice 20-25 pip gain. So that was the day. If you guys are new, make sure you like this, subscribe. It'll keep us motivated to keep putting this content out every day. Tonight we're probably gonna post another, analysis for tomorrow. So stay tuned to that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop comments below, and I'll be happy to help you guys with anything. If you can't get to me in the comments, like I said, you could always find me on Instagram.com/trendwritinglab. And that's that. All right, guys. So we will see you guys when we see you. Have a fucking fantastic day, and bye-bye.